because from getting $5 a pound, you end up getting less because you took out the gold. But again, unless you decide you want to refine and whatnot, it's very worth keeping that stuff. So get this side. Let's get to the hard drive. Sorry guys, all you guys are seeing is black now, but I'm new to this video stuff and I still haven't figured out a good angle. Alright. The hard drive should be coming out. Just move that little screw there. We should be good to go. Let's take out the CD drive too. Since we're here on the other side. There goes the hard drive. So you have this hard drive here. If it works, it might be worth selling. You might get $5 to $10 for it, even though it's old. Some people are still looking for old drives. I did some math. A lot of people like to take the boards off because they're obviously valuable. You get about, I think, if I remember correctly, about $10 per pound or $5 per pound for the boards. And obviously you have the aluminum and whatnot in here. On board sort, you get about 35 cents per pound for the hard drive without the board. After doing some math, this board would probably be worth about, at most, 40 to 50 cents weight wise. And obviously they give you 35 for this. For the whole drive, they give you 75 cents. So again, if you're not into refining your gold and everything, it's really not worth taking this out, I find. You just sell it as is and you won't waste your time, because time is money, that's for sure. Right, and we have the RAM, which is very valuable. Again, I did the math. You get, for the gold pin, for the gold fingers, you'll get maybe a quarter for all of this. I did the math yesterday, and once you take out this, you get almost nothing for the board. From like $10 a pound for the full RAM, you get maybe 4, and all you get is a quarter for the gold fingers. So if you're not into refining, just put them in a pile, sell them complete. Right, so we have the DVD drive. Wow, that didn't exist back then. So you have your CD drive here. This is actually worth taking out the board because they pretty much don't pay anything for this. You'll get scrap price, steel prices for that. Inside there's the board. I think they pay $1 or $2 for the board on board sort. So it's worth taking this apart and getting the board out. What's left is pretty much the motherboard. And as you can see, you have some aluminum, you have a little bit of copper. Again, if you're into refining gold, these guys here, this, even this here inside, this over here, all have gold pins, even the connectors here, the serial ports, USB ports, all of that. If you open them up, you'll get gold pins out of them. So that's always good. Obviously there's gold in the, I guess what you call flat packs or IC chips here. You can pick all that stuff out. There's the monolithic capacitors, which have the silver and palladium. Those are really good. Actually, I would take this stuff out. I'm actually going to take that stuff out before I sell the board as whole. For the board as whole, I think you'll get about $2. It weighs approximately about a pound, so it's it's $3 a pound. I'm definitely gonna keep the board intact. I went through and tried the refining and whatnot. It really didn't work for me. I found it was too much time. Then you have the power supply up here. If it works, I would say put them in a pile, like the fans. When you get a bunch of them, sell them, because you'll get a lot more money than the scrap value. I think I sold about 20 of them, and I got, I would say, about $80 out of the 20, so it's not bad, because scrap value you'll get maybe $2 in total out of this, so definitely worth taking that and keeping it if it's still working. So I know a lot of people like taking the gold pins and gold fingers and all of that. I did the math, you guys could do it too. Really not worth it if you're not gonna refine them yourself. If you're just gonna cut them to resell them, just keep the whole chip together, sell them like that. So if you guys have any suggestions and I guess making more money out of a PC, let me know.